Begin by opening the AI Services menu and selecting Integrations. Here, you'll find a wide range of commonly used applications, such as Google Calendar, WhatsApp, and other useful integrations. Instructions for each integration are also included. Let's take cal.com as an example. The integration is easy to set up. Simply enter the API key and the event type ID. Then add your username and click Connect and Save. Scroll down and check the connection status. The integration will then be immediately available for selection in your chatbot or voice agent. Next, let's take a look at the popular SMTP email integration. Enter the SMTP host, your email username and password, then click Next to go to the sender settings. There, enter the email address, sender name, and display name. You can also add another email to receive a summary of the conversation and send emails, and include a signature. Once that's set up, let's create our own email templates. It's very easy. You can use them for hotel booking confirmations, appointment confirmations, repair estimates, and more. You can edit and refine them at any time. The AI will automatically use these templates based on the use case and send them to your customers after the call. You can save up to 100 templates. If you've added a calendar, you can also view all your appointments directly in EchoHub.